Is this a joke? Google just leaked their newest AI model, and they are actually calling it Nano Banana Pro? I know it sounds ridiculous, but here is the scary part. Early benchmarks show this banana isn't just beating Gemini 3, it's crushing it. Today we are taking Nano Banana Pro into the lab to see if it's actually worth your time, or if Google has finally lost its mind. Let's dive in. Okay, let's clear up the confusion before we break anything. Nano Banana isn't a meme coin or a prank. It is the secret viral code name for Google's new Gemini 3 Pro image model. Why the banana? Nobody knows for sure. Maybe a developer inside Google was hungry. But here is what matters. This isn't just an image generator. It has world knowledge. That means unlike Midjourney, which just dreams up pretty pictures, Nano Banana actually understands how the real world works. Let me show you exactly what I mean. All right, test number 1. The Achilles heel of every AI generator, text. Usually, if you ask an AI for a sign, you get alien hieroglyphics. I'm typing in neon sign, the AI Boost Lab, open 24/7 for robots. Let's hit generate. Okay, look at that. Look at the spelling. AI Boost Lab. It's perfect. Even the subtext at the bottom is readable. Midjourney V6 struggles with this, but the banana model nailed the font spacing on the first try. That is terrifyingly good. Moving on to test 2, the brain test. I don't just want a pretty picture, I want accurate information. I'm asking it for a step-by-step infographic for a chai tea latte. Now usually AI just hallucinates random ingredients. But look at this result. It didn't just draw a cup of tea, it actually listed the correct spices: cardamom, ginger, cinnamon. Because this model is plugged into Google's data, it actually understands what it's drawing. If you are an educational creator, this feature alone is worth the price of admission. And finally, the big one. Test number 3, character consistency. This is for the storytellers. I'm taking this generic 3D Pixar-style guy I just generated. Now I'm going to tell the AI, put him in a spacesuit on Mars. Boom. Check the facial structure. Same nose, same eye shape, same hair color. It didn't generate a new guy. It kept our character and just changed the outfit. This means you can actually create a consistent comic book or movie scene without the character morphing every 5 seconds. That is a massive win. Now I did so many more of these infographics. I did how nuclear energy works, how to cook the perfect steak, how to perform the Heimlich maneuver, the 5 most famous constellations. I thought that was pretty impressive to have the layout of each constellation perfectly. The solar system with 1 fact about each planet, a language cheat sheet for English tourists visiting China with pictures. And this Chinese is all correct. A flyer with 3 pizza places you should go to while visiting Naples. This is just one of those things where after experimenting with all of the iterations of text image models over the past couple years, just truly blows my mind more than anything else I've seen so far. But I'm not done yet. Character consistency is great, but can this model actually direct a scene? I want to change the camera angle to make our character look like a hero, I told the AI. Don't change the character, just move the camera to the floor. Give me a worm's eye view. Bam! Look at that result. It didn't just stretch the image. Look at the boots. It actually rendered the soles of the shoes larger because they are closer to the lens. It pushed the head back into the distance to create that giant feeling. The face is the same, the suit is the same, but the cinematography just went from TV commercial to Hollywood blockbuster. This proves the model understands 3D geometry, not just 2D pixels. Google also showed that yes, cloning multiple characters in one frame works extremely well. Up to 14 reference photos can be merged into one complex scene while preserving each person's identity from different angles. This is something only professional studios could do before. What really separates Nano Banana Pro, though, is the amount of control it gives you. You can adjust camera angles, depth of field, lighting conditions, and color grading in ways that used to require full photography workflows. You can swap outfits across scenes, redesign layouts, change day to night, manipulate bokeh, brighten shadows, and keep the entire scene consistent. It even supports 2K and 4K resolutions, with proper aspect ratios ranging from ultra-wide cinematic to square. And for editing, the new localized refinement tools mean you can draw over a photo and force the model to add specific details exactly where you mark them. You can change a girl's photo by adding a cowboy hat, a guitar, a cat on the table, and it will even adjust the reflection of the new guitar on the table surface, even if you did not circle the reflection zone itself. Okay, we've proven the banana can be a Hollywood director, but let's be real. Can it actually be a reliable employee? The biggest headache for any creator isn't coming up with ideas, it's the packaging. Thumbnails. If you are paying a designer $50 on Fiverr every time you upload, you are burning cash. So, we are going to put Nano Banana through the ultimate clickbait gauntlet. I have prepared 4 specific thumbnail styles that usually break AI models: the reaction face, the VS battle, the tutorial, and the text overlay. If it survives this, you can officially fire your designer. Test number 1, the meta test. I actually need a thumbnail for this exact video you're watching right now. So let's see if Nano Banana can do my job for me. I'm asking for a classic split screen, Google robot on the left, our Nano Banana on the right, and the text, "It is real," in the middle. Usually AI messes up the text or makes the banana look like a cartoon. Okay, stop. Look at that text. "It is real?" Perfect spelling. The font is bold, it pops, and the contrast between the blue robot and the yellow fruit is exactly what triggers a click. I might actually use this one. If you clicked this video, well, okay, the split screen was too safe. Let's stress test the engine. I want something that stops the scroll, something that looks dangerous. I'm telling Nano Banana to create a cyber-biological image, a banana peeling open to reveal raw, glowing code and electricity with the text "too powerful." Whoa, okay, that is actually intimidating. Look at the lighting on the peel. It looks radioactive. And the text? It didn't just paste it on top, it integrated the red neon light reflecting off the skin of the fruit. This doesn't look like clip art. It looks like a warning label for a piece of alien tech. If I saw this on my homepage, I'm clicking instantly. Test number 2. Let's get magical. The hardest thing for any render engine, whether it's Hollywood CGI or AI, is light refraction, making light pass through glass or diamond without looking fake. So I'm asking for the impossible. A lion made entirely of living diamond, running through water with the text "unbreakable." Are you kidding me? Look at the paws. You can actually see the water splashing through the crystal legs. It's calculating the light distortion inside the body. Midjourney usually turns this into a blurry mess. But this looks like it took a VFX team 3 weeks to render. If you use this style for your thumbnails, you aren't just a YouTuber, you're an artist. Test number 3, the velocity test. This is for the gamers and the gearheads. Usually when you tell an AI to add motion blur, it panics. It blurs the car, it blurs the text, and it looks like a mess. I'm asking for a futuristic drift scene. Red hypercar, rainy street, massive speed, with the text "max speed" floating in the chaos. Check the rims, look at the sparks. The background is a blur of neon speed, but the car, razor sharp, and the text, perfectly readable. It understands that the camera is matching the speed of the car. This isn't just an image, it's a freeze frame from an action movie. If you run a gaming channel, your thumbnails just got an upgrade. So let's cut through the hype. Is Nano Banana Pro Google's secret Gemini 3 engine? The Midjourney Killer? Here is the honest verdict from the lab. If you are looking for pure, dreamy, artistic vibes, Midjourney V6 still has a slight edge on creativity. But if you are a creator, a designer, or a business owner, the banana wins, hands down. The text accuracy, the logic, and the director mode camera control make this the most useful AI tool on the planet right now. I'm giving it a solid 9.2 out of 10. It's not just a toy anymore, it's a workflow. But don't get too comfortable. Rumors are leaking from San Francisco that OpenAI is terrified of this release. We are hearing reports of a secret update coming to ChatGPT next week that might blow this entire video out of the water. We are already building the testing rig for it. If you want to see the battle of the giants, Google versus OpenAI, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You do not want to be late for the next shift at the lab. This is AI Boost Lab, and we'll see you in the future.